Where does the name for Mynydd Twr, or Holyhead Mountain, come from? So today I'm at the base of Holyhead Mountain, Mynydd Twr, just outside of Holyhead. Let's get into the name. Let's break the Welsh name down. First we have Mynydd. Now, Mynydd means a mountain, and it comes ultimately from the Proto-Celtic word monios, which meant a mountain. Now the second half of it is Twr. Now a lot of people, myself included, have mixed up the word Twr and the word Twr. One's got Tor bach, one doesn't. And they have very different meanings. Now I thought it was Twr, the long one, which means a tower, and I figured that was because up here there was a Roman watchtower which was used to keep an eye out over the Irish Sea for Irish pirates. But it actually turns out it's Twr, which is a lot shorter, and essentially that means a heap or a pile or a stack. So it means something like the heap mountain. Now, the English name is really easy. It's called Holyhead Mountain because it's the mountain near Holyhead. So the name literally means the heap mountain, the pile mountain. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.